Welcome interior designers. I hope you all are doing really good. So today we are going to talk about the most exciting topic that most of the interior designers are looking for is how they can run Facebook and Instagram ads, aka meta ads, to generate high quality, consistent leads for their interior design business. So today I will be revealing a lot of unique strategies and a lot of different things. We'll be discussing on how to launch a campaign, what goes behind the campaign, what are the things you need to take care while launching the campaign, and rest of the other things. So my name is Arihant Dugar. I'm the founder of Get More Projects, and we help interior designers firm scale and grow using our proven systems and processes. So what I'll do is I'll share my screen so you will have a better idea how we launch the campaign and how the each and everything works. So if you can see, this is like a quick example I'm going to show you on in this ad account right now. So what I'll do, I'll click on. So first, once you make ad account, you need to have a Facebook page, you need to have Instagram page already made, you need to have a business meta suite. If you don't know more about it, maybe I can make a separate video, but this video is more about launching a Facebook ads from Facebook Ad Manager. So if you are someone who is like into boosting and promoting your post, then you are totally wasting your money. That is something I can guarantee you. So it's better you don't rely on those things, and it's better you rely on proper Facebook Ads Manager to run ads, because that's where you get most of your features. That's where you get most of the results that you can accumulate properly. So that's the thing. So what I'll do, I'll hit on create. So once you make a new ad account, nothing. So these are the multiple past campaigns in this ad account. So nothing will be there. This will be totally blank, and you need to click on create. So once you click on create, you will see multiple campaign objectives like awareness. Here you can see the meaning of awareness is shows your ad to people who are the most likely to remember them. Then traffic ads, then engagement ads, then lead ads, then app promotion. If you have app, then the sales. This is for majorly for the e-commerce companies. So if your interior designer wants to generate leads, then you need to select the objective of lead generation, which is leads. So then you need to click on continue. So here, if you have seen my past video, there will be a lot of difference in the UI, UX, and the options that Facebook gives. So if you see, there are two types of campaign that you can run: tailored lead campaign and manual. So what I always prefer is a manual setup, which is way better than the tailored lead campaign. So I always prefer going on with the manual lead. So now here our campaign setup process is start. So first of all, now you have to name the campaign. How you can name the campaign in, let's say, if you are an interior designer based in Pune, or let's say if you have multiple branches like Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore. So let's say if you want to target Pune only. So what you can do is you can type Pune, and let's say today's date is 4th October. So 4th October 2024 is the day you are launching the campaign. Now, once you scroll down here, you will see a auction button. You don't need to check, but you don't need to check that. You don't need to worry about this campaign objective. We have already selected. Then, if you see here, you don't need to worry about campaign spending limit. This is what you have to turn on: advanced campaign budget. So earlier it used to be a campaign budget optimization as a name of CBO, but now Facebook have renamed it to advantage campaign budget. So this is something you have to turn on. Now let's talk about the minimum budget. So if you are in a tier two cities like Jaipur, Surat, Ahmedabad, I'm not sure if it's tier one, tier two, but if you are in a tier two city, you can start with 500 rupees per day ad budget. But if you are in a tier one city like Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Delhi, 1,000 rupees is the minimum ad budget you need. If you are in Bangalore, I would say the sweet spot of tier one cities is 1,500 rupees per day ad budget. And for tier 2 cities like Jaipur, Indore, Bhopal, 500 rupees per day ad budget is enough to start with, and then you can increase the budget depending on your lead flow and how you are getting things. Then let's say you set a budget 1,500 rupees per day, and campaign bid strategy, high volume. Here you don't need to turn on this, and rest of things you don't need to take care anything at the campaign level. You just need to name your campaign. Then you need to have ad budget done. Turn on the campaign budget optimization, which is advantage campaign budget right now, and that's it. No A/B testing, nothing else you have to do. Now, then click on next. Okay, then you have to click on next. So here you have now we are on ad set level. So there are three levels in the Facebook ads. One is campaign level. We have already set that. Now it's the ad set level. We set all the targeting options and each and everything. So ad set, let's say if you are going on with interest targeting. So what I prefer is giving a quick overview of my targeting thing. So I interest, let's say if I'm targeting age between 30 to 50, and city is again Pune or specific pin code. Let's say I'm giving pin code specifically. So pin codes. Now here I will select lead forms or instant forms. That is, I feel initially if you are beginning things in your marketing, in your Facebook ad for generating leads, instant forms are way better than website and any other options that you are seeing right now here. So click on instant form. Here you can select a page. Let's say here I've selected my own page, the Arihant Dugar. Then you scroll down here. While launching the campaign, the best time to launch the campaign is, let's say right now it's 4 p.m. 4 sorry, today's fourth date. Right now it's 10 a.m. So I never launch campaign at the same time. What I do is I always launch campaign on the next day, where I've selected the midnight timing. So this is how you have to do. In some ad accounts, you will see you will not get 00. You might have to type 12. So it depends. Like some ad accounts have different settings, some ad accounts have different settings. So you always have to launch your campaign at midnight 12. So that's where you can keep track of each and everything. And then you scroll down, you don't need to worry about all these options. Scroll down, scroll down. So here there were so if you switch to original audience options, you can switch to that as well. But from my end, what I've seen is like the normal this the by default option also works really good right now compared to switch to original one. So it's totally your choice. There is not a very big difference, but I prefer going on with this. So current setup that Facebook have. Now here we don't have to target whole India because that's not our market. So there are 2 to 3 ways you can target geographically. Now we are talking about geographical targeting. Let's say if you are an interior designer based in Pune, if you simply search Pune, you will get the Pune city option. Here you can target based on the radius. You can make it less, more, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, max to max 80 kilometer, or you can have a current city only. So that's when the whole city will be get targeted. Or the best option that I recommend is having a pin codes. So what you can do is you can go on Google and you can find out like pin codes of Pune, or let's say if we want to, because the whole Pune is not our target audience. Whole Pune we don't want to target. We want to target specific zip codes of Pune. Let's say if I copy paste all these uh, zip codes, I'm not sure if I'll be able to copy it from there. But yeah, you can select like specific pin codes from Pune that you want to target, and then that you can add. Like let's say if I give one example, if I have to add this pin code 41101. Okay, 411001. Okay, 411001. So here I'll get this pin code. So how pin code is targeted is like this. This is a very specific, very narrow targeting. So you can make a list of pin codes, list of areas of pin codes you want to target, specifically your ads in Pune. So that's how you can do it. Then you scroll down. Now here is something you need to test it out. So what I prefer is having a 2 ad set like this. If I give you example, if you open this, now first you have to click on this show more option. Here select the minimum age 25-30. That I would recommend. I think 25 is the max by default option here. There are 2 places. I don't know why Facebook made this, but there are 2 places we have to select the age. One is here, second is here. So I prefer like minimum 28 age group to, I would say 50 is more than enough for interior design clients that we are planning to target. Because above 50, very tough to get good clients, and less than if somebody is less than the age of 28, they might not have money, they might not be doing job and not ready to invest in their home interior and buying home. So after that, you get detailed targeting option. That's where the real thing happens. So you will get a lot of targeting options, like you will get home interior design as a targeting option here. So you can select that. Once you select that, you click on suggestions, you will get more suggestions like interior design as a targeting option, home improvement, interior architecture, modern architecture. There are a lot of, I would recommend you as selecting as much as possible, 10 to 15 targeting options you can select easily. For demo purpose, I've shown you these are the options that you can select. Now, once you scroll here, you can also narrow your audience. Let's say you want to target premium clients. So here, what you can do is here you can search people who prefer high value goods in India. Prefer high value goods in India. So here you can select, you can narrow it down. So people, those who have the interest in all these things, home interior, and they also have high value preference as well, like frequent international travelers we can target, engaged shoppers we can target, business class travel we can target, first class travel we can target. So that's how like you can narrow it your audience as much as possible. Here you can see the estimated audience size that you are getting here. So that's how it is. Now second last thing in the ad set is about placements. So if you see in Facebook, there is more than 18 to 20 placements, I feel, but you don't have to run ads on everywhere. Placements is like where your ad will be shown on the app. Is it on Facebook feed? Is it on Instagram feed? Is it on stories? Is it on Reel? So I would recommend like switching off this network one. Then you scroll down. You can unselect this one, search result. You don't need to show in stream ads. You don't need to show. You need to show your ads on story and reels, and just keep turn on the feeds option. That's it. Rest of them you have to turn it off. We don't want that, and that's it. And then you click on next for moving forward. Now here your Facebook page and Instagram page will be connected. So now here what you have to do, you have to write the ad copy, headline, and then call to action button. So what type of ads really work? So right now I might have one or somewhere somewhat other ad to show you. Let me see, which I used to run long time back for the interior firms. Let me see if I have any video ad. So this is also one of the type of video ad you can use. But if I give you a quick overview, what type of video ads work? Your project walkthroughs, your project shoot videos, your client testimonial videos. These are the type of, I always prefer video ads when it's come to interior design industry, and rest you can customize it as per your. So project videos, project photos, and client testimonial. So all these things works really well. Then now here you need to write your ad copy, which is the primary text. Let's say you are from Pune. So what you can do is hello or attention Pune homeowners. So that's how your ad copy can start. So the formula that I would like to give you for the ad copy is AIDA. AIDA. So what A stands for is attention. Like talking to your target audience. Here, like I am talking to attention Pune homeowners. Now you have to talk about the interest of your target audience. What are their interests? They are looking for interior designer who can help them to design their home with as much as cost effective possible on proper timely basis, no cost overrun, no delays in handover. So these are their interests, these are their things, and desire how they wants to look their home. It should be premium, it should reflect their personality, it should stand out from other relatives that they have their home. So that's what the desire. So what are the interests of your target audience? So that's what you need to study. I don't want to like spoon feed you in each and everything. That's what I don't like to do most probably. So yeah, you need to use this formula AIDA. Attention Pune homeowners, attention Bangalore homeowners, where you are targeting. Talk about their interest, talk about their desire, and talk about their now talk to call to action. Like here, if you see, Facebook also gave you some ad copies like Pune homeowners, listen up. Tired of living home that's only truly yours? We have got a solution ready to transform your space that's stunning reflexive. That's it. Now here headline will be your offer. So what offer you can go with? The minimal offer is like book your free consultation that most of the interior designers do. Book your free consultation. Book your free consultation. Or if you want, you can go more advanced. Here you will able to see the preview of your ad. Like for an example, if I add one video here also for you, for an example, what I'll do, I'll add a video here. So here you will able to see your preview, your ad copy, your headline, each and everything. So that's how the whole process looks like. Book a free consultation. You can offer 10% off, 15% off, save up to 15% in your home interior. Maybe you can start with giving free 3Ds initially. If they want to work with you, you can tell them we'll do one 3D free design, free 3D for one of your room that you want. So that's how you can do. And call to action, you can select. There are many call to action like learn more, get code. So learn more is evergreen one. So you can select learn more. Now, this is the basic setup we have done. Now we have to make a lead form. So what will happen? You will be running your ads in Pune. You will start seeing, people will start seeing your ad. Now they want to contact you. So they will click on this button, learn more. Once they click on the button, learn more, they go through a form where let's say you name a form. Let's say if I write for now as a demo form one. Then my focus is on more volume, higher intent, rich creative. So I majorly preferably go with more volume. Then here, if you want, you can keep those headlines and description, but I prefer turning it off. Now, once they have click on the ad, now my motto is to let them fill the form. So that's where you can ask them few questions to qualify them, like what is their floor plan? Is it 2 BHK? Is it 3 BHK? Is it 4 BHK, etc., etc. The basic idea that you will get. Then you can ask them multiple questions like what is their budget, what is their, how soon they want to start, and then asking their name, email address, and phone number. Here you need to write fill the details, and then you click on next. Now here you can add a privacy policy link if you have a website. So for now, I'll put it as a google.com. If you have a website, you can put any link of your privacy policy page. You can add here, and then you go to a thank you page. So once they fill the form, now they've submitted information. Now what next step they have to take? So best I recommend is calling you directly. So here what you can do is thank you are all set, or thank you, but wait. That's how you can do it. Edit it, but wait. In side by side, you can see the preview as well, but wait. Call now to book your appointment. Call now to book your appointment. And then here you can add your phone number here, and then call to action button, and then form is created. For an example, I'll type random number. So first you have to select the India 91. I'll type a random number here. And then here you can have a call to action of call now or click to call, something like that, and form is created. So yeah, that's how our campaign is ready to run, ready to thrive. And then you just need to click on publish button, and then your campaign will get published. So that's it, pretty simple to the point. Not a very rocket science. This is like the basic of running Facebook ads. This is a pretty basic thing that I've explained you. There are way more advanced things you can do when it's come to running ads. So if you want to know more about how we can help you, you can book a one-to-one consultation with me and my team. Click on a button below in the description box. You will find a video. You will find the link through which you will be able to book a call, and I'll see you on another side. Till then, have a good one. See you soon.